South African actress Gugu Gumede has once again found herself trending after celebrating 2 years since a gastric sleeve surgery, sparking a wide conversation across social media. The former Uzalo star shared a video reflecting on her transformation, revealing that she has lost 53 kilograms and is proud of the decision she has made, despite facing criticism along the way. In the clip, Gugu openly applauds herself for choosing her health and taking a leap of faith, saying she believed there was a better and healthier version of herself and went after it. However, her post received mixed reactions from Zanzi, with some social media users praising her confidence and discipline, while others questioned her decision and expressed a preference for her previous body type.
This is me officially 2 years post surgery, and here are a couple of things that I want to say. Man, I'm so proud of myself. Cheers to me for believing that there was a better me out there, a better version of myself out there, a healthier version of myself out there, and actually going ahead and becoming that. Cheers to me for being fearful to take this journey, but actually going and starting and going ahead with it. And look where I am 2 years later. Cheers to me for not conforming and listening to what people were saying online. Oh, besimthanda sayistufuz, okay, sharp mafuna westufuz ayibasona, but keep him like Leondo. Cheers to me for wanting to be the best mom that I can be. The mom that can actually slide down my daughter's tiny slide on her jungle gym and fit into her small little swing, and having the most energy to play with her and to be fully present. Cheers to me. Congratulations on 2 years, Googs. Yay!
Gugu addressed the negativity by making it clear that she refuses to conform to anyone's expectations, emphasizing that her choice has improved her quality of life, including being more active with her daughter. She also thanked Hems Clinic for supporting her throughout the journey, while reminding followers that the biggest win was choosing herself. Despite divided opinions online, many fans continue to applaud her for owning her story and standing firm in her truth.